Hey y'all, it's Big Elvis with an unboxing. And let me remind you, you still have time to get in on the last man standing. We're going to draw that for the 5-car Hot Wheels Premium set. It's the set that had all the flags behind it, one from every different country. And that will be drawn on May, 25th, I think is the date. Anyway, it is the Monday, Memorial Day, and we are going to do that. Right now, we've got the Power Trip. We're going to open up these, take a close look at them, and you tell me what you think. Yep, there are a couple in this set that I really like. Hot Wheels Premium Power Trip. And there's our first one, the BMW M3. It already looks good. But we've got to get them out of their cards, out of their boxed prisons, and check them out. Card art's pretty amazing, as always. BMW M3. It's been out some different times. The wheels are very cool on this one. And you can see there are some details in there. You can see the tufted seats, the console. BMW M3 on the plate. Nice, clean. Love it, love it, love it. Good clear window you can see right into. And of course, there we go. The Hot Wheels BMW M3 2020 copyright date on this one. Looks like it's got the slicks on it. Very cool looking spokes. So there she is. Look forward to this set because, of course, there is a Ford pickup. And it is the 99 F-150 Lightning done in black. And there you have the card art. Very sweet. I do love the car culture. Now this is a, I guess, 10th anniversary of car culture. I see that on the top of the package, if you've not seen that before. But the SVT Lightning, I loved this truck. Of course, made famous in the Fast and Furious movies as the parts truck. There you have it on the back. Nice 5-spoke rims all in the black. Lightning right there, big on the side glass. Front end just clean look. Do like that. Clear windshield, you can see inside a little. There's the console. Don't know how well detailed you can see through it. A little bit. It's tough to see in the glass, but just a clean. If you like the all black look, of course, my big fingerprints are going to be all over it. We have us a AMG Black Series 2008 Mercedes-Benz as number 3 in the Power Trip. And it is done in the white. There's your card art. Very sweet. Now let's crack her and get her out. In the white. Another just clean car. That's what I like. I don't know what y'all like. Leave a comment down there. Blacked out windows. Very dark on the front. You can see through a little bit, but sides are completely blacked out. There's your front. Again, nice, just clean. 2024 copyright date, so this one just a couple years old. I'm sure we've seen it in other sets, maybe something we've opened right here. Our next one up, there you have The Mustang in the Power Trip series, the 84 SVO. Done a little differently with some different rims. This one's been out for a while. Not sure if they did a retool on this one for this, but we'll find out soon enough. Rims are okay for what it is. I don't know if I care for that. Of course, the SVO was the 4-cylinder turbo. There you have there on the back, Mustang SVO. Metal, all of it's cast in metal. We can see in with the window down on this one a little bit. It is hard to tell. The windows will be clear, but the interior being black, it's kind of tough. It has those Recaro style bucket seats. There's that scoop for that turbo. Very nice. And 2011 was when this was copyrighted. So there you have the information with the slicks, bigs and littles, which I like that. It's cool that they do that. That way at least you have looks like the right proportional rims. And then for the Power Trip, last but not least, that Jeep. Yep, the Trackhawk Jeep. And I've seen a few videos where these guys run this Jeep. She's got the power, that big Hemi in it, which was cool. Alright, Memorial Day weekend. Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you leave a comment. And you could get in that last man standing. There it is. Grand Cherokee Trackhawk. Pretty cool. There's some detailing in there. Got your Easter egg. I guess that's supposed to be a basketball, I think. Sitting in the back seat. Or you could tell me. Maybe you all know for sure. There's the back. Try to get myself a little more steady. Grand Cherokee Trackhawk. And there's our information. 2020 copyright. She's got the slicks on also. Look pretty nice all the way around there. We'll let her spin for just a second. And hope you like, share, and please subscribe. We need the subscribers. There is the 5-car set. Tell me what you think. Tell me which you think is your favorite out of that set. I believe I'd have to go with the probably the Ford Lightning, probably the AMG Mercedes, the Trackhawk Jeep, the Mustang, and then that BMW. Of course, I'm a Ford guy, but yeah, that's it. Memorial Day is coming soon. Make sure you get commented. Big Elvis, we're out. Take care of each other out there.